Hey there! I'm Cy, your friendly robot narrator from Cyborg Robotics Academy. And today, I'm gonna tell you a little story about a girl named Indira. Now, Indira is, well, let's just say she's not a fan of being bored. She's creative, imaginative, and absolutely obsessed with Lego. Her parents noticed she needed more, something that could challenge her, something that could turn all that Lego energy into real-world skills. That's when they stumbled upon us, a place where kids don't just learn about robots, they build them. A quick click, a free trial, and boom, Indira walked through our doors, wide-eyed and ready to explore. At Cyborg, it's not about lectures and sitting still. It's about building, coding, experimenting, and yes, even failing. Because failing means you're trying, and trying means you're learning. With our awesome educators guiding her every step of the way. Indira went from, what's a sensor, to look at what my bot can do. In just 3 weeks, Indira blazed through levels 1, 2, and 3. She built bots with moving arms, coded logic using real Java, and started explaining things most adults don't even get.
There's a thing called move tag, so you select that and then you can select like what speed you want to do, 50 or 100 or and if you want to turn, if you wanted to turn this side, so you can do an axis turn in which you need to do so there are two types of turns. One motor is completely off and one is on, and the other one is where there is one at -50 and the other one is +50.
Let's hit pause and meet the humans behind the magic.
My name is Sirjana Vishwakarma from Cyborg Robotics Academy. I am heading the department of Lego Robotics and all the operations. So today, let's talk about Indira, how she started her journey of robotics classes with Cyborg and now where she is. So when she started at the beginning, she was a little nervous that will I be able to do it? Will I understand all these robotics things? Because people think that robotics is very difficult. But at Cyborg, we make it really understanding and easier for the kids to understand and explore more about robotics. So now there's a day today where she's capable of doing two courses at a time. So she's doing the 4th level, the advanced level of EV3 robotics, and also simultaneously she's doing Java. Cyborg Robotics Academy is really happy to have Indira with us. Thank you.
Indira is just one of our many stars.
Hi everyone, my name is Indira and today I have come for a class in Cyborg Robotics Academy. Today I have made a driving.
Hello.
So the important parts of the driving base are the EV3, cables, 2 large motors and 2 tires. So what I made it do is I made it go forwards, backwards and take 2 types of turns, axis and pivot turns. So pivot turns are when one motor is completely turned off and the other one is on, so it turns like that. But an axis turn is when one motor is going backwards and one motor is going forwards. So it turns on its own axis. This model can be used in real life to transport goods from one place to another.
Every week, new stories begin here. Kids discovering their spark and turning it into power. Think your child's the next big inventor? Let's find out. Enroll now at Cyborg Robotics Academy, where young minds build big ideas.